Good evening, everybody. So let's begin today's analyst. This is Max, and so we are providing daily financial analysts, including stock, gold, forex. So in the live stream, I mainly talk about gold and the stock index. So if you guys want more details, daily analysis, you can subscribe me, and you can chat with me, and my assistant Freddy will give you guys the reply and to provide the detailed daily analysis. Okay, including fundamentals and technicals and the chart analyst. So at the same time, we also providing some capitals for you guys. So back to let's see what we are doing here on the gold spot. So the gold spot is as we predicted it yesterday. We did a very good shorting at this page, at this price, and right here. So there is actually our target price is actually at right here and it's really close. But at the opening of the Asia part, the price is still being pushing up at this range. So maybe I think the most important range may gonna be at these places because they have the consensus of the market. You can see there has a price squeeze that push the power down, that push the price down at how much is this? 80.34. So if you wanted to do another short, you better to do the short at this range. So yesterday at this page, at just right here. So let me see. So this is 20, and we need to see about this. Chicago, no. Where is New York? I need New York. No, Hong Kong. San Francisco. Oh, okay, New York. I hear. So yesterday at the prices, uh, okay, Shanghai at right here, New York. So yesterday at the page of this prices, uh, just right here, which is the ADP data was released at the 8 o'clock, at the 8 o'clock 30. So after the prices have been released, the power just goes down. The prices just goes down. But we have known the ADP data was released higher than we think, which it was 8 point. How much is this? Let's see how much the power it is. How much the data was. So the data is the most important thing that we guys need to pay attention to. It will control the. It will just control the direction. How much was this? Go. and the reply. Financial finance Canada. Okay, guys, just wait a second, and I needed to find about what's the prices here. Uh, well, this is so $1,000. This page. Okay, let's find about the Tuesday, right? The Wednesday. We need to see about the Wednesday. The Yahoo is not good. Okay, here you are. So it's 89K, 9K, which is like which is like almost the almost much lower than we think. This is a projection, right? The 153K. So which means which means the employment market has been slowed down more than before, right? More than before, and this is actually good for the gold and bad for the US dollars. But as you guys can see, the prices still goes down, but it have not to break out here, which is not good. Okay, this is not good. It's actually better to break down here that to push it up once again so we can do the short as this page. So from my view, the prices still not being the still not being the okay here still not have the direction right now. So this is not good. But we can still hold the short position at just right here. Okay, just right here, and let's see what will happen. Okay, because this is also a supply range for the prices, but better to short it at this page, at this range at 80.34. So this is two way that we can do the short. Once here once again, and here once again we can do the short. Okay, this is the go analysis for you guys, and only if the prices have touched the 80.04, then we may gonna to do the bullish side. Okay, so right now we still stay the bearish side because it have not it actually have not the direction. Okay, better not to do the short at right now. So the same thing for the SPX. Okay, so the ADB data was coming out, which is bad for the US dollar, and the stock market, which has calculated by the US dollar. So this is why it just goes up yesterday. And you can see through the 30-minute chart. 30 minutes chart. Okay, so it just opened at just right here and jump high because the ADB data was released lower than we think. The employment is lower than we think. It's lower. It's getting cooled down. It's getting cooled down. So it's bad for the US dollar and it's good for the stock market. But still, there have still a lot of pressure on this. You can see a lot of pressure on this. This is a breakout model, right? Because it have so before the prices have get into this range, we actually think this is a good demand range that we can do the buying, but it's still gonna be breakout with the bearish side. It goes down, right? Make a lower low, and then this has not been useful anymore. This is not been useful anymore. So we think the bearish side is much stronger. So even if the power getting back and which touch the supply range, they're getting down to make a lower low, which this point has been breakout, right? This point out of 4,238. So the prices have been getting down, and we have known this range is a good range to support, but it have been break. So this turned to a big pressure for the long position, right? So we're gonna do the short if the price is getting this back, and right now the prices have getting into here, and we're gonna do the short. Okay, we're gonna do the short at just right now. This price is at 4,263. Okay, understand me? So this is our prediction. We're gonna do the short at this range at just right now. I believe they're gonna be a jump of the price. They're gonna be a jump at the opening. Okay, so those two are my data analysts for the gold and the SPX. And if you guys have anything curious about any symbols and investment, you can ask me, and I will just edit this for you guys. And so we're providing data analytics here, and every day at this time I will tell you guys my tomorrow's trading plans for you guys, and I hope you guys like this. Okay, so if you guys want a more detailed data analyst, you can just subscribe to me and chat with me, and my assistant Friday will get contact with you guys. Understand? Okay, we are also providing some capitals here. All right, so this is what we predict. Only if the prices touch here 4,188, we're gonna do a little bit bullish trading, because for 30 minutes chart, you guys can see it actually have been pushing it up when it break out this point. So we actually think this is so much strong than others, than this one or than this one. It will be so much stronger. Okay, it will be so much stronger than we think, than this one and this one. Understand? So we're gonna do some buying at this page at 4,188. Understand? So but what? Okay, here. So tomorrow, firstly, we needed to know the initial jobless claims, and the day after tomorrow, which is the non-farm payrolls. Okay, so those two things are really important. It may change the direction of the market. It may change the Federal Reserve thinking. Understand me? So those two. We're just waiting for this. Okay, you can see on this screen the power of this week, right? Okay, we'll find about 3 stars. Non-farm payroll September, right? And unemployment September. Those two things really important, guys. And as you can see, the prediction is much lower than the previous one, and the same as the ADB data. So the prediction is also lower than the previous one, and which was released is lower than the expectations. So which is really bad news for the US dollar. Where is ADB data? Cool oil. Here. So this is out of the expectations, and it is why in this evening the prices just goes up once again, and it goes up for the stock market and pushing up everybody. But this is just like private companies prediction, not the officials. We need to pay attention to the officials, which is the initial jobs claims and the non-farm payrolls, which is come out from the New York federal. Okay. All right. So let's begin our today's comment. Okay. Today's comment. What's this? Forex. All right. Forex for this is oil. Okay. So yesterday at maybe 11 p.m. that there is someone that just asked me why the oil just goes down. So actually, whether the Russia and the Saudi, they are still reducing the production of oil, but the prices still goes down. It's not because the oils, it's because the US dollar just goes up. Understand? So you better to stay with the bearish side until the jobless claims have been made, have been published, and non-farm payrolls. So actually, the most important is the non-farm payrolls. It will determine if they gonna reduce the interest rate decision or not, or raising the interest rate decision. Understand? If it's raising, then the oil still gonna goes down. Okay, still gonna goes down, and also the gold and the SP 500. So they are the same thing. It's all calculated by the US dollar. So the most big analysis is about the US dollar. Understand? If you want to have some research on US dollar, you better to analyze the euro. Understand? Because the euro take 60% importance in the DXY. Understand? So if you wanted to have a research on this, you gotta pay attention to the euro versus USD. Understand? Okay, back to this. So I don't know. They are using indicators maybe, but I don't like this. I never use indicators actually. But perhaps some values. Perhaps some values. I will use some values actually. Also indicators. No. Indicators is not that good to use. Okay, it gets up. It just gets up at right here. British pound. Okay. British pound, Australia dollar. And the prices is data analyst. The prices of this, they're gonna goes up a little bit more, maybe. They're gonna goes up a little bit more because here have the price squeeze. Here, from here it push it up from the small to the big. They're gonna have still another raise. I'll just right here. Okay. So let's see the next one. Okay, seems like there is not many useful uh, ideas. What's this? A price squeeze to push it up. Uh, Not good. This is not good. This is not good. And the Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, let's see Bitcoin. I remember I have take a really 4 hour chart. Let's see. Okay, I didn't expect the prices will go up from here. Okay, let's see. Here have the breakout at this point. Okay, this is good. All right. This is my fault. So this is a really good example for you guys. This is the reversal structure that I have actually ignored this. So this point is actually the most strongest point that pushes the power down, but it still be break out at just right here at 26,500 right here. It just break out by the bullish candles, right? So which means the bullish side has won the war, right? So even if the power to push it up and push it down into here, we think the power have been made by the bullish side. They have won the war, right? So the price is gonna just break out this point. It will just break out this point. So this is my fault. I just ignored the reversal structure here. So this is a good reversal structure. Good reversal. This is the most strongest point, but it have been break out by the bullish candles. You see, and there has the demand range, which is a price squeeze, and just right here, this range. Okay, so it will just break out once again because this is nothing. This is not that strong. Only if the price is to break out all this. Right, it will just goes up to break out all this, man. It will just break out all this, everybody. Okay, so back to this. SPX, they wanted to do the buying. This is wrong, man. You're gonna until the 4,880. Okay, next one. This is much beautiful, right? These indicators. I want these indicators too. Okay, Bitcoin goes up. Yes, this is as my prediction. Yes, this is a demand range, which is good, and so the target price gonna be 29,000, which is good. Let's see if he got the right prediction. Wow, man, good. You got making a lot of money by this. Did I follow this one? Did I follow her? I'm gonna just follow this guy. Okay, this one is Euro and this HF. So the price is to push it down, which the power, yes, yeah. The short position is much stronger, right? And this is not as strong, even if you have the price squeeze, but it's too thin, it's too thin. But seems like this guy using the indicators to do the prediction. Wow. Wow, definitely good. Definitely good. Wow, this guy, wow. Man, definitely good. Okay. Okay, Bank Central Asia. These prices go down, goes up, goes down, goes up. Too complicated, but it's in this train. It's in this train. Uh, I agree with those two things. Those half things, but I don't agree. This one. I don't really agree. This pushing it up. I don't know about this. I don't actually know about it. If the prices have touched here, I'll just 8,450 here. If the prices just touch here, which I actually think it may to break down. Okay, pushing it up just at this page. All right. Okay, US dollar just goes up. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is definitely wrong. You cannot just using the train trade like this, man. It's daily. All right, which is good. So our analyst, data analyst is down just right here, and for you guys knowing that we have that we guys have a lot of data analysts for you guys, and there are gonna be more details if you can't get contact with me and my assistant Freddy. Okay, I'm Max, everybody. I'm Max, and my assistant called Freddy. I'm not Freddy, everybody. So it's if you guys want more details about the analyst, you can just subscribe me and get in touch with me. And we're also providing some capitals for you guys to trade. Okay. So you guys, if you guys love me, you can just meet me at the same time tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.